Master the basics of logo design with this quick and easy tutorial. How to create a professional F&G logo in Adobe Illustrator in just 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for beginners looking to improve their logo design skills. Follow along step by step as we show you how to create this unique logo from scratch. First, check the font name to ensure it is free for personal use. Then, type the letters using the Type tool in Adobe Illustrator. Next, create outlines for the text and ungroup them. Now, we will continue to lengthen the upper stem of the letter F horizontally, using the Direct Selection tool, and pass it over the G. You can see how I did it. Now grab both the letters with the help of Selection tool. And now we'll use the Shape Builder tool. Move the mouse over the part we want to add to the logo. And we will delete the remaining part. Now erase the part between letters G and F with the help of Eraser tool. The logo is ready. Group it. We'll change its angle, for which we will go to the Rotate tool and give it a 45-degree angle. Where I made the box it says 45 degrees. Above this logo we will take a box, for which we will go to the Shape tool. And we'll make a square there. This square will also be given an angle of 45 degrees. After that, the logo and the square will be aligned. Now we will change this square shape to white color and move it to the layer behind the logo. We will make this square shape a little smaller. Now we will take another shape. We'll go into the Shape tool and from there we'll take a circle. We'll convert circle shape to stroke. We'll increase its thickness. After that it will be expanded. We will change the color of the circle shape to black. Along with all these tasks, don't forget to align it so that our logo stays in balance. Now move the white square shape over the black circle shape. We'll balance it. Make the black circle a little smaller. And make the white square shape a little bigger. Then grab both of them with the Selection tool. And go to Pathfinder. Click on -front here. Thus the black circle will be divided into 4 parts, which are making your logo beautiful. Now we will change the color of the logo. Here we have used red and orange color. Next we will also change its background to black. We will make the circle part a little thicker by going to the offset path. Now it seems much better. Start designing your own logos today. If you are facing any difficulty in creating a logo, please let me know in the description box below. Now we move to Photoshop, where we will create the presentation for this logo. I will show you how to use 2 different logo mockups. Double-click on the layer where the arrow mark is visible. Another page will open in front of you. Drag the logo from Illustrator to this page. After bringing it here, its color will be changed. We will make it black. Delete the existing ones and click the cross on the top layer. Click Yes. And wait a bit, your logo will go on top of the mockup and look great. One of the primary merits of using logo mockups is the ability to create a strong visual impact. Mockups transform flat designs into dynamic representations, enhancing their appeal and making them more memorable. This visual realism can significantly influence client perception, often leading to faster approvals and more enthusiastic feedback. Additionally, mockups save time and resources, as they eliminate the need for physical prototypes. The chance for growth in mastering mockup usage is substantial. As you become proficient in this skill, you can explore creating custom mockups, which adds another layer of uniqueness to your presentations. Furthermore, expertise in mockup design opens opportunities for collaboration with other designers and businesses, expanding your professional network and potential client base. Overall, the strategic use of logo mockups in Photoshop is a powerful tool that enhances presentation quality, client satisfaction, and professional development. I encourage you to leave comments about your logo designs. I'd love to see your work and hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out my other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your design skills.